Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we have seen the Redmi K30 family. They launched this year and some of the smartphone is really great, like the Redmi K30 5G Racing Edition as well. They launched it, but now that new news of the upcoming Redmi K40 will be 5G phone. MIIT listing as confirmed. So the Xiaomi M2006J10C is back. This will probably launch as the Redmi K40 or perhaps the Xiaomi Mi CC10. Early it was spotted at the 3C with a 33-watt charger at the same that come in the Redmi K30 Pro retail box. Now the price has appeared on MIIT. The Chinese wireless regulator certified the phone for use a 5G network. Not surprising perhaps, as the K30 phone has already 5G enabled thanks to their Snapdragon 865 and 765G chipset. So as you can see on your screen, this is the MIIT certification of this M2006J10C, likely the Redmi K40. The non-Redmi K40 probably won't use an 800 series chipset. The Redmi K30 non-Pro version, though it was rumored to use the Snapdragon 775, which was supposed to be announced last week. But Qualcomm unveiled the Snapdragon 690 instead, the first 5G chipset in the 600 series, and the chipset to the family it support global 5G bands for sub 6 GHz variety. Of course, Qualcomm has other 5G chipset that the Redmi K40 can use, but chances are that we will see at least several phones drop it under the K40 name as K40 Pro at least. So let's see in upcoming days. As you can see, this is the MIIT certification. And by the way, the last smartphone of the Xiaomi Redmi K30 family is the 5G K30 Racing Edition, which has 6.67-inch big screen. So we expect that the upcoming Redmi K40 will have a bigger screen. And the Redmi K30 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G chipset with a 5G and octa-core 2.8 GHz with a Kerio 475 Prime and Kerio 475 Gold and Adreno 620. So we expect that Redmi will improve this in their chipset and their Qualcomm Snapdragon. And we have see the Redmi K30 has 128K storage and 6 GB of RAM. So we expect maybe they increase the RAM and storage option. 64 megapixel camera, the highest camera of the K30. So we expect maybe that 108 megapixel will Xiaomi add into the upcoming K40 lineup. 4 cameras on the K30 family, so we expect that the 4 camera or maybe 5 cameras like the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and 4K video recording. So we expect 6K, maybe 8K video recording the upcoming Redmi K40 family. So let me know in the comment section, guys, are you waiting for the upcoming Redmi K40 smartphone? If you are waiting, let me know in the comment section, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.